Commercial cleaning and disinfection best practices for warehouses and logistics facilities. A clean warehouse or logistics facility is not just about complying with state or federal regulations. When your facility is clean and provides a safe, healthy environment for your employees, customers, and visitors. It also protects your investment because clean facilities have a longer life and need less maintenance over time. So, what are the best practices for cleaning warehouse, logistics facilities, and fulfillment centers? Here are a few things you should expect from commercial cleaning professionals. Learn more about what should be included in each area by downloading the executive report on this page. Establish a routine. Minimize downtime. Cleaning from top to bottom. Cleaning floors. Cleaning loading docks. Minimize stagnant inventory. Training. Proper supplies and equipment. Infection control. Many companies are opting for longer-term protection programs such as continuous care, which is provided by OpenWorks' elite network of service providers. Operators use electrostatic sprayers to apply a long-lasting antimicrobial surface protectant that provides continuous protection from bacteria and microorganisms for up to 90 days. Learn more by downloading the executive report on this page. Commercial cleaning services for warehouses and logistics facilities. Your facility is too important to trust to just anyone. OpenWorks' elite network of service providers are trained in every aspect of cleaning warehouses and logistics facilities, including best practices, and state and industry-related regulatory and compliance requirements. Get an estimate, openworksweb.com.